Hi, in this video I continue with the pool table vector graphic, and this is how far I've come in the last part of this tutorial. I'm going to zoom in on this pocket here and select it, start the fill and stroke tool, and for the stroke I'm going to paste here a code for a gray color. Then I'm going to go to the stroke style and type here 1.6 for the width and apply a little bit of blur. Now next thing, I want to select this linear gradient option, then go to the edit, and I'm going to edit this second step and change the color to black. And I'm going to close this, and over here I'm going to use this create and edit gradients tool to adjust this linear gradient. Next, with the select and transform tool, Control D to duplicate this, and I'm going to remove the stroke paint, and for the fill I'm going to paste another code here for a slightly brighter gray color. Then also remove the blur and select this radial gradient option and change the opacity to 40. And next, again with the edit and create gradients tool, I'm going to adjust the gradient. I'm trying to achieve the effect that this actually looks like a hole. And by the way, I'm zoomed in 300 and almost 30%, so this is too close. That's why it doesn't look very good, but when you see the table on 100%, it does look like it's a hole. So we're just trying to fake the effect here, and again, now I'm going to select this and group it. Let's zoom out and use the Control D to duplicate this. Then I'm going to move it over here, and I want to flip it, but not with this one. Let's undo this with this option, and then I'm going to select this again, Control D, and then use this option and move it over here. Control D, this one this time, and move this over here. And of course you'll need to zoom in and make sure this is positioned correctly. And this is going to be it for this part. I'm going to continue probably tomorrow. And you see that the graphic doesn't look like much for now, but step by step I'm going to turn this into a very good pool table vector graphic. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that it was useful. If it was, subscribe, like the video. That's it for now. Bye.